spent the last couple of days here in Ironshore, Montego Bay. So if you guys are in Montego Bay or you guys are planning on coming to Montego Bay and you guys are looking for an affordable Airbnb that has the features that I'm about to show you guys,
amenities,
stay tuned and continue watching this video. Well, not stay tuned, but come with me, let me show you guys.
oh, they're not sure the bar.
Alright, so let's go inside. Alright, so when you first get in, as you can see, it's the bedroom. This Airbnb was more so a studio, so everything was pretty much in one. There was no upper, lower level. Everything is just in one flat area. There's no living room based on how, well, it's a main house and you have separate little apartments. So you got one of those little apartments. So in the main house, you would have the living room, upstairs, downstairs, all of that kind of stuff. But in the little apartments like the ones that we rented, it's just dining, bathroom, bedroom. So here's the bedroom. You have a beautiful queen size bed. The mattress was firm and sturdy, very, very firm and sturdy, and it's not too high the way that I like my beds. You have these two beautiful big windows that bring in so much nice natural light. In terms of the furniture, everything was in tip-top shape. You have a his and hers mirror over there. You know what I'm saying. A fully working TV with cable.
Pants are sexy for you.
TV. Cable. You have internet. Full access.
Hey
oh
guys.
wait. Pause. Let me fix the bathroom.
Pool view this time, no ocean.
Alright guys, so next will be the bathroom. Nothing really fancy smashy. It's a working bathroom. I like the sliding door concept for the shower. But it's just a regular shower. Again, as I said, nothing fancy. Toilet, sink, big mirror. And yeah, that's about it for the bathroom. If you come with me this way through these doors. Go ahead. Oh, thank you. After me. Perfect. Oh, okay. Before we even get there, when you come in, first thing that you will see is another door here. This door enters to another balcony outside. Go ahead and show them how the balcony looks there.
Yeah, no, see it there. Yeah, well, look, walk around. I can take you to the gate in case you don't want to walk that way. You know, you have a little trees, you have avocado, you know. If you don't know, you know, pears, see it there. Yeah, naturally.
Got your time to shine?
I don't need no shine. You can take all of that.
Alright, and then you come over here into the kitchen area. You have a really, guys, it's really spacious. I don't know how it makes sense because it's a small place, but it's really spacious.
Not treat around, oval, you know. So
maybe that's why, but yeah, like there's a lot of space to do stuff. So you have a cute little glass table over here, 4 chairs, so we can dine up to, I think this Airbnb can hold up to either 3 or 4. I know 3 for sure, I'm not 100% on the 4 part. A working kitchen, stove, sink, microwave, coffee maker, toaster. You know, there's cups, plates in there if you need anything. You have a good working freezer and fridge. And yeah, so that's it for the inside of the house. The main reason why we picked this house is because of one feature that my other half was very set on. Because all the other times we booked Airbnbs, they said that they offered this. They said that they offered this feature, but when we went, they were not in service.
So beautiful.
So this one. was working, and this is literally the best part.
As a wake in the night. Every
There's
time.
no cutoff time, so you know some places you go and they may say it's,
okay, partially
it's working from like 5 to
private
9 or something because it's shared. This one is
partially private in between the main house of shop. Continue.
This one is mainly for this rental property, so you get access to it all day and as I said all night. Like we were out here this morning at like 1 o'clock in the morning. We come out as early as like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Not you, me. You wake 7, 8, 9.
So yeah, this is it, guys. Really nice, shallow, and you have the scenery, guys. It's really beautiful. The landscaping and everything is really beautiful here. So yeah, that's where we stayed, and it's gated. So if you guys are worried about safety or anything like that, it's gated and it can only be opened by, you know, a key that obviously you have. So yeah, that's it for the stay here at the Airbnb. We are checking out right now. So yeah, I hope you guys, if you guys are interested, comment down below, let me know. I will give you guys the details, and yeah, but we out. So catch you guys at the next stop. Guys, so we're back in Montego Bay. I mean, not that we left Montego Bay, but like in the city. I left my camera in the car, or else I would have showed you guys how they decorated like Sam Sharp Square. But if you're from Montego Bay, then you know how festive the place gets, because it was Emancipation, and on Thursday it'll be Independence Day. So everywhere is red, I mean black, gold, and green. But we stopped and got bad dog sausage.
Street hot dog.
Y'all know how I love my street meat.
And a jerk, man, like a jerk. You like a
I got relish. I got relish, cheese, ketchup, and mayo. Babe got cheese, mustard, and ketchup. We can't see the toppings because he turns it around after he puts the toppings on, so like it's in the bottom of the Jamaican. So innovative. $1,200, 5 minutes.
What if all of them make it some? Never try buy them and all of them say, man, it's nice and about. So the middle sausages and the type of sausage is small.
I can't see for shit.
You can't see nothing like that.
Can I taste yours?
Mustard and cheese. Really and spoiled. Give it a taste. Okay, put cheese in there into that.
Mostly tastes good.
Let's treat them. Put them on my bag.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, cool up from a commercial stream. I want to the tree.
I'm gonna sweat my wig off.
Oh, jeez, my pants. Last time I went away after.
I was doing so good.
Yeah, man, this sucker. Jeez, that bug. How long I was just I'm going to pay for parking. I like when you come out up here. I don't know, like all free.
It's not free.
I'm just not going to pay.
It says we're supposed to collect a ticket.
Usually such a lot. Sweet is an house. Sorry. Come up by the door, please. Come. Hey, see, turn it on.
Ah, so you're really kissing one.
That's 1 foot. I ain't 1 foot.
What?
This can't come here, man. This is a force.
What is it?
So you have to talk to them right now, so you're driving. Pull up my house and wait some more time. I'm a big cab driver. Reverse in a parking parallel.
Alright guys, we're gonna head out now. I need to go.
12 pounds get signed, you can't escape with that much. You know that rocky and it's human.
My purse. Hi. No, we didn't get one.
Let's come about 2 minutes.
You're welcome, thanks.
You like the door part of the key?